Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting. This is frog story about Foggy, Furry, and Funny. Hi, my name is Foggy. I come from the lake near here. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Furry. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Funny. Do you know why it hasn't rained in a while? Yes, that's right. It hasn't rained in a while, Foggy. I know the reason why it hasn't rained for a while. Really, Foggy? Oh, why? We have to pray to God. Okay, okay. Let's pray to get with our song. I hope it rains soon. Amin, amin. Wow, it's raining. Thanks to God. Thanks to God. I'm happy. I'm happy. Alhamdulillah. Okay, friends. See you in another story. See you. Miss you. Bye bye.